Hello everyone, what if just a few gadgets could make your car smarter, cleaner, safer, and feel twice as expensive? And trust me, a few of the gadgets near the end are so impressive you'll be checking the links before the video is over. Let's get started. Number 1. What if your rearview mirror could eliminate blind spots? Completely, the AUTO-VOX V5 Pro replaces your standard mirror with a stunning full-touch display that delivers a crystal-clear rear view day and night. Its ultra-thin laminated screen reduces glare while providing a wider field of vision than traditional mirrors. Parking, reversing, and lane changes instantly become safer and easier. Once you experience this upgrade, going back to a regular mirror feels impossible. Number 2. This gadget turns every car wash into a professional detailing session. The Big Mouth Max release foam cannon blankets your vehicle in thick, shaving cream-like foam that loosens dirt before you even touch the paint. It works with pressure washers to create an incredibly satisfying cleaning experience. Not only does it make washing faster, but also helps reduce swirl marks and scratches. Your neighbors might think you hired a detailing crew. Number 3. Want to feel your music instead of just hearing it? The Rockville wheel of bass delivers powerful low-end sound from a surprisingly compact package. Its slim design fits easily into trucks and cars while still producing deep, punchy bass. The included remote bass knob lets you adjust the intensity on the fly. Every drive suddenly feels like a front-row concert experience. Number 4. Imagine cleaning greasy tools, metal parts, and accessories without scrubbing for hours. The VEVOR Ultrasonic cleaner uses powerful ultrasonic waves to remove dirt from places your hands can't reach. Just place the item inside, press a button, and let the machine do the work. From automotive parts to workshop tools, everything comes out looking dramatically cleaner. It's like giving your equipment a professional spa treatment. Number 5. Your wheels take the most abuse, and this brush kit is built to fight back. With multiple specialized brushes designed for rims, spokes, tires, and tight spaces, it reaches areas ordinary brushes simply can't. The soft bristles protect delicate finishes while the stiff brush tackles stubborn grime. Cleaning wheels becomes faster, easier, and much more effective. The difference before and after is genuinely shocking. Number 6. These aren't just floor mats. They're a complete interior transformation. Built-in RGB lighting lets you customize your cabin with vibrant colors controlled directly from your smartphone. They're waterproof, durable, and designed to fit most vehicles. Whether you're showing off at a car meet or upgrading your daily driver, these mats instantly create a premium atmosphere. At night, your interior looks straight out of the future. Number 7. This tiny camera could save you thousands of dollars. Despite its compact size, the KAWA dash cam records sharp 2K footage and captures critical details during accidents or incidents. Voice control, Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced night vision make it incredibly convenient to use. It works quietly in the background while protecting you every mile of the journey. It's one of those gadgets you'll be grateful to have when you need it most. Number 8. Ever lost a tiny screw in the middle of a repair and spent more time looking for it than actually fixing the problem? This magnetic parts tray set solves that frustration instantly. Powerful magnets securely hold bolts, nuts, washers, screws, and small tools exactly where you need them. The collapsible silicone design makes storage easy while still providing plenty of workspace when expanded. Number 9. Trying to hold a tablet while driving is not only annoying, but also dangerous. The APPS 2-car heavy-duty tablet holder secures large tablets with impressive stability, even on rough roads and uneven terrain. Its reinforced metal arm minimizes shaking and vibration, keeping your screen easy to view at all times. Whether you're using GPS navigation, managing work routes, watching content during breaks, or accessing important apps, this mount keeps everything within reach. Number 10. Why clutter your garage with multiple cleaning machines when one can handle everything? This powerful 2-in-1 system combines a high-pressure washer with a steam cleaner, giving you incredible versatility. Blast away mud, dirt, road salt, and grime with the pressure washer, Then switch to steam for deep cleaning interiors, wheels, engines, and stubborn stains. The steam function helps loosen contaminants that traditional washing often leaves behind. Number 11. If you own pets, you already know that fur somehow ends up everywhere. The Uproot Cleaner Pro is designed specifically to tackle stubborn pet hair that vacuums often miss. Its unique edge grabs deeply embedded hair from carpets, seats, floor mats, trunks, and upholstery with remarkable efficiency. There's no need for batteries, electricity, or expensive replacement parts. Just a few passes can dramatically improve the appearance of your vehicle's interior. Number 12. Getting a large dog into a vehicle can be challenging, especially as pets get older. This extra-wide foldable ramp gives dogs a safer and more comfortable way to enter and exit cars, trucks, and SUVs. The non-slip surface provides excellent traction, helping pets feel confident with every step. It also reduces stress on joints, hips, and knees, making it ideal for senior dogs or breeds prone to mobility issues. Number 13. Flat tires always seem to happen at the worst possible moment. That's where the E-HEELP electric car jack kit becomes a lifesaver. With the push of a button, this hydraulic jack lifts your vehicle quickly and efficiently, eliminating much of the effort involved in traditional tire changes. It even includes an electric impact wrench to speed up wheel removal and installation. Number 14. At first glance, it looks like a strange blob of slime, but don't underestimate this cleaning gadget. The PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel squeezes into tight spaces that brushes and cloths simply can't reach. Air vents, buttons, cup holders, dashboard seams, and other hard-to-clean areas become spotless in seconds. Simply press the gel onto the surface and watch it pull out dust, crumbs, and debris. It's oddly satisfying to use and surprisingly effective. Number 15. Professional detailers know that the secret to a spotless interior isn't just cleaning products, it's the right brushes. This detailing brush set features ultra-soft boar hair bristles that safely remove dust and dirt from delicate surfaces without causing scratches. They're perfect for dashboards, vents, instrument panels, leather seats, piano black trim, wheels, badges, and engine bays. The soft bristles reach into corners and crevices where dirt loves to hide. Which of these car gadgets would you install in your vehicle first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing gadget discoveries. We'll see you in the next video.